In this video, we will learn how to make an RJ45 patch cable. Go ahead and obtain all the necessary equipment to make an RJ45 patch cable. Remove 2 inches of jacket from the cable end using the cable jacket removal tool. Be careful not to nick the wires. Cut the pull string down to the jacket. Arrange pairs in order color: green, orange, blue, and brown. Untwist the wire pairs, smooth out the curls, and fan them out. Bring the wires back together, keeping them in the correct order, and straighten them out to form a flat ribbon. Sort the wires for the needed patch cable using the 568 alpha wiring standard, as shown on the image. Cut all the wires at a perfect 90-degree angle from the cable, half an inch from the end of the cable jacket. Insert the wires into the RJ45 connector with the tab down and the connector pins facing up. Apply enough force to fully seat the connector with the wires going all the way to the end. Ensure that the cable jacket is firmly seated in the RJ45 connector wedge. Insert the connector into the RJ45 crimp tool. Now squeeze the crimp tool hard so that the handle reaches to its full swing and it self-releases. Now that this side is completed, go ahead and redo all the steps to make the other end of the patch cable. To test your cable, ensure to turn on the device by pressing the data button. This will ensure that you will test for data on the RJ45 cable. Insert the patch cable on the top and bottom connectors of the tester. Once cables are connected, ensure that both the top and bottom rows, that's 1 through 8 for all cable pins, are correctly lined up. Once all numbers are correct and the cable test has passed, you have a good cable. Congratulations!